Plano SD community. We are coming to you again today from outside of our construction site. I am here with Andy Smedberg, Superintendent for C.D. Smith. And the last time we gave you an update, we were inside of our buildings taking a look at our hallways and classrooms. And today we are back outside, as there has been a great deal of work that has taken place since that last update. So, Andy, can you give us the next round here? What has happened since the last time we touched base?
Well, we've hit a few milestones. The building walls are pretty much entirely masonry. Those are complete as of this week. So now steel is kind of the main focus. Behind me, it kind of speaks for itself. It's going up quick. The new cafeteria roof will be complete first part of next week. And then we actually start putting the rubber roof on. The kitchen underground and the bathroom underground plumbing and electrical is complete. And we hope to be pouring floors next week.
Wow. So you can see moving right along. We are on schedule and on budget, and we're very excited to kind of ramp up into the summer where it's really going to get busy as we finish up the outside as well as the continued work that's happening inside our hallways and classrooms.
Yeah, we're still tearing those apart. That hasn't stopped.
Yes, and it's been great again to see everyone working together to try to make it work and figure out how to move through the process efficiently so that we get in classrooms and get it done.
It's taken a lot of understanding, and it shocks me how much my phone doesn't ring. So we're happy for that.
That's a good sign. That's the kind of team that we have here. Come along with us and check out some of the latest updates here on site. Once again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope all of you have a great day and a great weekend.